Welcome to the hydraulic press channel. Today we're going to test out how strong are bolts and nuts. And with these I mean the thread between the two. So this idea is pretty simple as always. I have the nut on the bolt, then it goes here, we push here until this breaks, and then we can use the pressure sensor under the setup to measure the force, how much it can take. And then of course I have like stuff that is way too large. I think we are not going to be able to break this, but we can always try. And I have everything between this, so a lot of stuff going through today. Yeah, but I think we are going to start with the size that I have there. I don't remember, is it M16? Okay, we are ready for the first one. And I'm going to guess that this is around 10 tons. And here we go. Okay. I think I had pretty good guess. How much was it? The result is almost 13 tons. And after it breaks, it takes about 3 tons to push it along. And let's have a look what we made. Yeah, it seems that it breaks the nut and the screw both, because these are like half gone, and so they have to be half gone also there. Yeah, I think we are going to test the same size with the harder material. Okay, seems that I don't have hard nuts on this size, so we are going to go with hybrid model. Hard bolt, soft nut. Actually, it didn't help at all. Yeah, that's interesting. Like, slightly better, but not much. Yeah, it seems that it stripped off the threads from the nut and left them there at their place. Hard bolt, soft nut doesn't help. Okay, next size, M24. So larger diameter and deeper thread / higher pitch. So let's see how it goes. I think this is going to be quite much stronger. Looks already much beefier. Okay, I was quite fast with the movement. It went pretty fast, but I think the force sensor had enough time to think about it, and the result is 28, so again slightly under. I think I have pretty good touch on these, how much these can take. Okay, looks pretty similar. It's not super hot, maybe like 30 degrees Celsius. So there isn't a lot of work to be done to like destroy it like this. Yeah, I think we are going to now test with the hard bolt, and now I have also the hard nut, so let's see that. Okay, this is a slightly worrying sight for me. The thread doesn't go all the way up, so it's quite flimsy setup, and I am not sure will it like buckle or get crushed. But something is going to happen, that's sure. It's surprisingly strong. Surprisingly strong. Yeah, I think I'm going to throw safety box here. Okay, now I have safety box there, because I was worried that it's going to flip out and fly pretty fast. And I don't want to break windows or break my camera. It's like 5,000 euros there on top of the tripod. And I'm also behind the safety screen, so I was like safe already before, but this is just like extra layer of safeness. Ooh. Okay, we weren't super far off. Holy shit, that was accurate. Yeah, but that was like much sharper, like way how it broke than with the soft. Yeah, and this was the largest hard nut that I was able to get my hands on. So next size is only going to be soft, but we can go much, much bigger. So next size. Okay, the hole is again larger, and here is the next test subject. It's a pretty sturdy one. It's M36. I'm going to say that this is 75 tons. It's pretty strong. Okay, now it's going. That was pretty strong. 67 tons. Yeah, I would say that the effect is the same no matter the size. Okay, and then maybe the last one that we can really break. This is M42. So pretty goddamn large. I made slightly too large hole. Doesn't matter. Yeah, this has to go over 100 tons. So that's pretty much. And I think this is the last one that I have. This sucker here. I think this is 72. So no way that we can probably destroy this. But let's see this first. I'm going to say that this is 120 tons. And here we go. Okay. Okay. I think we are not going to get that bigger one broken. That was really strong. 124 and 500 kilos. But hey, I have to say that I know my nuts and bolts. I have been really good on guessing the right weights today. What happened here? Yeah, this is interesting. It threw the top threads there. Hey, check this out. I took a bandsaw and cut the nut and the bolt in half. So now we can see what the hell happened. And yeah, it seems that it was the bolt that broke. The nut is, I think nut is okay, but the threads on bolt have come loose from the bolt, and they are intact. So I think this broke a bit differently than the smaller ones. I try to hammer out the nut from the bolt. Okay, that was pretty easy actually. Okay, there it is. So yeah, these came clean off. Yeah, that's really nice. And how about the nut? Yeah, there are some threads from the bolt, but as you can see from the lower threads, the nut is completely fine. So it was just the bolt that exploded. Yeah, and the next step is so much more that there's absolutely zero chance of doing anything for that. Yeah, but hey, this was really interesting video. And now when this is filmed, me and my dad are going to do actually some real work with the press, and I'm going to make video of that to Beyond the Press channel. It comes out tomorrow. So if you want to get second press video for the week and see what these are really used for, go check out that channel. Link is in here in end screen and description. Yeah, but that is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.